Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. Now, one of the nice things about having a YouTube channel is occasionally you get offered products to talk about. And I do like a glass of wine, so when Naked Wines offered me this free gift box and the unique discount code for Mark's House and Garden UK viewers, I was quite interested. Now, they have sent me some free wine, of course, so I can't claim to be totally impartial. But in this video, we're going to open this box and look what's inside. And I'm also going to tell you about our unique discount code and some instructions on how to redeem that code through Naked Wines. So I'll bring the camera in close and we'll open the box, see what's inside, and then I'll talk to you about how you can go ahead and get either £30 off wine or effectively some free wine. And who doesn't like free wine? So first things first, let's get inside this box, which is their 3-bottle gift box. Now, I was offered the choice between mixed, whites or red. I can't remember what I went for, but I think I went for mixed, but we will soon see. Now there's an envelope here, so we'll just see what's inside the envelope first. A message from Naked Wines Gifting. Hey Mark, are you ready to get naked? Well, not literally. And it's all about stripping out the middleman and getting us confident with making our wine selections. And one thing to note was when I went on the Naked Wine websites, they do ask you some questions about your taste in wines and your experience in wines. And then they make a selection for you. I think I've asked for a mixed one, so I like this recyclable packaging. It's all cardboard. Let's get these wines out, see what we've got. I need my glasses on. Unfortunately, my eyesight is fading. As you get older, you like wine more and your eyesight goes. Now this is a Vino Rosso Passito from Italy. It looks like it might be a light red. And then of course we've got a lovely red here from South Africa, which is where I've been earlier in the year when I went to Franschhoek. And then we have a Chablis from France, I believe. Yes, that's from France. So there we have it, a lovely mixed selection of wines. I'm holding that up to the light and I can't see through it. I think that might be a red. I ought to know the difference, but it says Vino Rosso Passito. I'm wondering if it's a rosé. Anyway, we've definitely got a white and a red and a third bottle there, and I look forward to enjoying them. Now, the deal is they've given us a unique discount code, and that discount code is the word Mark, so it's quite easy to remember if you remember my name. But there is a link below this video, and if you click on that link, it will take you through to the Naked Wines website, and the discount code should be automatically pre-populated. Now, I ought to stress that they're not giving away free wine. What they're giving us is a £30 voucher, which you can redeem against a case of wine worth £64.99. So it's effectively half price for a case of wine, your first case. So you could say that 3 of the bottles are free, or you could say that they're all approximately half price. Now, in fairness to Naked Wines, I didn't just want to take the 3 free bottles and then run away. So I have signed up with Naked Wines and I've ordered the case. I have redeemed my £30 voucher and I have paid £34.99. What I really liked about the system was it asks you a few questions to determine what sort of taste and experience you've got of wine drinking. Then it selects the wines for you, and then it asks you for delivery date. Now, I'm not available tomorrow, although they do next day delivery. And so what I've done is I've arranged for my case of wine, 6 bottles, to be delivered on Saturday. I live right down at the end of a country lane, so I've put the fact that I'm right at the end of a country lane in the instructions, and I've asked them to leave it in the piggery, which is that brick building behind me. And I'm going to go with the first delivery, so I will have 6 bottles of wine to enjoy. And then the deal is, as a subscriber, they send you another case every 2 months, but you can unsubscribe at any time without any hassle or obligation. So that first case is going to cost me £35. Now the wines that Naked Wine provide are not cheap wines, they're quite nice quality wines. They range between somewhere around £8 to £13 a bottle, I believe. You can probably go a lot more expensive, but that's my selection. Now I have to say that I don't normally spend £8 to £13 on a bottle of wine, so these will be my special treat wines that I'll enjoy on a special occasion. So it's 6 bottles of wine every 2 months, and I will go through 6 bottles of wine every 2 months, and then I will play it by ear and I'll decide whether or not I let my subscription continue. Don't forget, you are not obligated to carry on buying wine from Naked Wines. You can leave at any time. But if it's good wine and if you enjoy it and you find it's good value and it's delivered to the doorstep, why not carry on? By the way, I'm not on commission for selling wine, but I did get this free gift box of 3 bottles. So there we go, a lovely gift for me of 3 bottles of wine from Naked Wines. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below this video. Click on the link, click Get Started, select your wines, redeem your £30 voucher, and then take delivery of 6 bottles of wine for £34.99. You can even go for more expensive ones if you wish. They have excellent reviews on Trustpilot and you can cancel at any time. Hope you've enjoyed that. I'm certainly going to enjoy this one. This is going straight in the fridge and I shall drink it with my other half when they get back from work later. And we'll probably share this South African one with some friends who particularly like going to South Africa. I'm going to look this one up. I'll tell you what it is. And I'll see you soon for some more Naked Wine adventures. Bye for now.